Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching this video today. This is part 3 of the Grand Aston Varadero Beach Resort video series. This resort has a main buffet and 5 a la carte restaurants. The main buffet is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast starts from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. For breakfast, they offer nice omelet with vegetables and cheese. You can also get different varieties of eggs for your breakfast. They also offer a vast assortment of cheese, delicious deli meat, and fresh bakery. For lunch, the buffet is open from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. The buffet offers soup of the day, appetizers and salads, fresh vegetables and fruits. You can get freshly cooked beef, pork, chicken, and turkey. They also offer different types of fish and some days mussels. For dinner, it's open from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. We preferred going to a la carte restaurants for the dinner instead of buffet, as there are 5 a la carte restaurants in this resort. So we even went twice to some of them during our stay.